How to adjust the aspect ratio on your smart TV. The first things you can do is press the menu on your remote control. Here in menu, you can scroll down and go to settings. Okay, click settings. In settings, you can see here the picture. Okay, go to picture. And here in picture, you can see the aspect ratio. And now you can adjust the aspect ratio to stretch or zoom the picture. And the aspect ratio is set into 16:9. To adjust the aspect ratio, you'll have to do is go to this. And now you can see the option. Okay, you can set or adjust the aspect ratio into automatic, or you can adjust into 4:3, movie zoom, or direct. And okay guys, I decide to adjust the aspect ratio on my smart TV into 4:3. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjusted the aspect ratio on my smart TV.